Hello everybody, so today I'm back with another video, and as you can see my hair is like pretty freshly done. I got it done like the day before they put like all the bans on hairdressers, because as you could see in my previous video, like my LA Sephora haul and my like easy glam get ready with me, my hair, like my roots had already grown out quite a bit, and I didn't want to have the pink in while we could potentially be in a lockdown, because I feel like it would have looked really bad once it grew out more, because I don't know when I can get my hair done again. But anyway, that's not a really big issue anyway. But I have decided I want to kind of use some products to bring out my curls more. So my hair, even though it's like kind of straight-ish now, is normally quite curly. So obviously they used heat tools on my hair when I got it done to style it afterward. But normally if I have a shower, wash my hair, my natural hair is quite curly. Because I have to wear my hair up for work a lot of the time, it does kind of impact, I guess, on the way my hair's natural curl pattern or wave pattern looks. When I was younger, when I was like 16, 17, my hair used to be like really nice and curly. I didn't have to do too much to it. So I've thought, let's try and get back to there. Let's try and make my hair a little bit more healthy. Like, it's not too bad considering it is obviously color treated. And I did get a haircut, so it doesn't have really any split ends or anything at the moment, but I want to keep it that way. So I thought as well, if we do go into a lockdown, what better time to perfect my hair than when I don't have to go anywhere, because I can practice and hopefully my hair will become more healthy. So I'm going to show you all of the products I got to do this. I ordered from 2 websites, and then I picked something up from the shaver shop as well. So let's just start with what's on top. We have the GHD Air diffuser. So I have a GHD Air blow dryer, but I don't have the diffuser attachment, and this is kind of essential if you do have curly hair, because it's going to help stop getting frizz, and it's going to help to kind of keep that curl pattern a bit more. So I am due to wash my hair today or tomorrow, so I'm definitely going to use this and see how I go with it. If you guys want to see any updates on any products or anything as well, make sure you comment down below and let me know. I can definitely do a review of how things work out, or show you what products I end up using in my every sort of day, week routine. But this just snaps on, just looks like this. You can see it has like the little fingers, and then it just snaps onto the blow dryer like that. So I'm really glad I got that. It was very hard to find. The only place online that sold it was GHD, and it was $12.50 for shipping, and it's cost $25. So shaver shop at the Uni Hill outlets had this, which is really good. So the first actual hair product I got is this I don't know how you pronounce it, Davines or Davines. This is the Love Curl hair mask, and it's meant to be like nourishing for wavy curly hair. I can smell it through the container, and it smells freaking amazing. So I'm keen as to try this and see how it like nourishes my hair. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, so if any of you guys have tried it, comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are, or what products you recommend from the brand. Next product is from Kevin Murphy. Kevin Murphy is one of my favorite hair care brands. This is the Killer Curls Anti-Frizz Curl Defining Cream. I have the Angel Wash and the Angel Rinse, and then I also have the Blonde Angel Conditioning Mask. This I think will be really good to leave in my hair after I like wash it and everything, to help define the curls more. I had been using the Briogeo Curl Charisma Curl Defining Cream, but it's almost empty, so I needed to get some more stuff anyway. So I thought I would try something new. Another product from Kevin Murphy is this one here called Killer Waves. This one here is actually a newish product, I'm pretty sure. This is a curl enhancer for fine hair. So my plan is to spray this in and then use this afterward to kind of get the most out of it. this one here, obviously it's a spray. It's going to be a lot more lightweight than a cream, but my hair does get very dry, so I figured the cream would be a good option too. Next product is this one here from Aveda. This is the Be Curly Curl Enhancing Hairspray. So this one here is meant to help with like locking in your curl and all day frizz control. This is hairspray. Like, I've sprayed it in my hair when I got it because I wanted to see what it was like, and it definitely does feel more like a hairspray. I haven't tried anything else yet, but this one here has definitely more of a herbal sort of smell, being that it is more of a natural brand. That's to be expected. They kind of use more like plant extracts and essences, but keen to perfect my hair care routine because I feel like I just kind of go through my life washing my hair and conditioning it, obviously, but I don't really put that much effort into styling it, whereas I used to when I was like way younger. Now I've just gotten lazy, so it's time to step out of that. Okay, I think this is one of the last products I got. So I wanted to try something from the brand Oribe. I've heard so many good things about this brand. It is very expensive. I don't use actual hairspray a lot, but the one I had is basically empty. So I wanted to get another one, and I just picked up a small bottle. I feel like this is gonna smell really good. I don't know, the packaging makes me think it'll smell like sweet. But we'll see. If you guys have tried anything from this brand before, please let me know, like, what are the standout products. There's so many different hair care brands to choose from, and this is just the start of my journey with getting my curls back, and I want to know if there's anything else you guys recommend. The last product in here is one that came free with buying like the stuff, and it's from the brand Evo. It is the Main Attention Protein Treatment. I'll have to give this a go and see what it's like. I've been to hairdressers where they've used this brand in my hair before, and it did smell and feel really nice, so we shall see. That is pretty much the end of my little mini hair care haul. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. And again, if you do want to see like updated reviews after I have used all the products for a while, comment down below and let me know as well. You can follow me on Instagram, which is always linked down in the description bar. I kind of do like little reviews on my stories sometimes, and yeah, you'll be able to see how my hair care journey is holding up. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go have coffee and probably go wash my hair because I'm itching to try these products. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.